water pours out of the lake. And a local twin study turns up some amazing data in our special assignment report tonight. We'll have these stories and more next on The Update.
The next time you pick up some Pepsi, you might be in for a little surprise. The grand prize in Pepsi's Drive-Away Sweepstakes. A 1987 electronic fuel-injected V6 Oldsmobile Calais. Enter soon, or your chance to win will be gone.
Watch your Sunday newspaper for a money-saving coupon on Pepsi products and your chance to win a brand-new Oldsmobile Calais.
At the Cities 97, we deliver quality. Our listeners demand it. We play album cuts from quality rock to jazz, and you'll never hear the same song twice in one day. Our commitment is to you, the listener, and that's why we created the Cities card. It's free, and you can use it for big discounts at local entertainment and sporting events. Listen to the Cities 97 for details. We want to be your radio station, so tune to 97 FM and tell a friend. And thanks for listening.
When your child needs medical care, you can lean on to you, because we've been caring for kids with complex health problems for over 75 years. Today, we offer the latest in pediatric treatment through our new Variety Club Children's Hospital and our children's clinics. And who's it all for?
For me.
And for you, because there's only one you. The University of Minnesota Hospital and Clinic, where research and education lead to better health.
Live from Minnesota's news channel, KSTP Channel 5, Stan Turner, Ruth Spencer, Dave Dahl, and Joe Schmidt bring you the Eyewitness News Update.
Good evening, everyone. A local newspaper could be a battleground over drug testing.
A labor complaint filed against the Minneapolis Star-Tribune newspaper today could end up setting an industry standard on drug testing in the workplace. The newspaper began its policy last January, reportedly without consulting the unions. Mike Binkley reports here the newspaper guild wants to win the right to negotiate over such a policy.
It's the kind of story you've seen in countless newspaper articles recently. Now it's hitting home to those who wrote them. A drug testing program at the Star-Tribune, another being considered at the Pioneer Press-Dispatch.
You know, there appears to be some kind of corporate bandwagon, going throughout Ronald Reagan's America, that says that drug testing is the hula hoop of the 80s.
Union leaders are protesting because they said they had no input whatsoever in formulating the Star-Tribune's policy. They only read about it in the company newsletter last month. They figure if somebody could be suspended, fired, or not hired because of these tests, that's a condition of employment and something they have a right to negotiate. But the National Labor Relations Board has never ruled on that.
The whole drug testing craze is fairly new, and as a result of that, there's never been a case before the board.
The Star-Tribune's policy is based, it says, on a concern for employee safety, in addition to job performance and productivity. Anyone applying for a job there will have to give a urine sample first, and current employees who are suspected of having a drug problem could be tested as well. The policy has already reportedly affected one potential employee here at the Star-Tribune, a reporter from Dallas who refused to take the test and was not hired. The company says many studies have shown that workers who have a problem with drugs or alcohol are much more prone to accidents, poor decisions, and theft. Employees say there's never been a serious problem here in the past, and that the company is almost assuming guilt in bringing about this policy. Since this is a relatively new issue, it could take some time for the NLRB to issue its ruling. Mike Binkley for the Eyewitness News Update.
Now, the St. Paul Pioneer Press-Dispatch is currently negotiating with the Rotogas.